Hey guys, welcome to Player 2 Gaming and another short tutorial on OBS Studios. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a countdown timer on your OBS stream. So first you're going to want to go over here into Sources, hit the plus button, grab the text source and label it as such. Text-countdown, hit OK. Go ahead and close this window that opens up, head over to Tools in between Scene Selections and Help. Scroll down to Scripts, this window will pop up. You're going to hit the plus button down here on the bottom left. Scroll down till you see countdown.lua, click that and hit Open. Select the loaded scripts and go over here and select your text source to the one you created called text-countdown, and there you go, you see it pops up. So one thing to note is under duration, you can only actually go in minutes. You can't do like 3.5 seconds or 30 seconds. So if you have an intro song, make sure you're aware of that. So let's say we'll go down to 3 minutes. That seems long enough. Final text, I actually keep this blank. That's the text that will appear once your timer reaches 0. And the reason I keep that at 0, I'll explain in a moment. Go ahead and close that and you'll see your countdown timer here. Notice here you have your hours, minutes, and seconds. These hours are super ugly. So I hold Alt, grab this square on the left, and just drag that closed. Now, before when I mentioned how I don't have an end text, the reason I don't have an end text is because if you do, let's say I go into scripts and I end text, or my final text is starting. That will appear once this reaches 0. Your entire text is actually starting over here where the hours started. So you're going to end up missing the first 3 or 4 letters and with ting or something like that. So keep that in mind. You might decide that you want the end text and you don't mind the hours as much. Personally, I like to get rid of the hours and just have the minutes and seconds. Again, you can go into here, right click or double click, and then you can go into properties and you can edit your text the way it looks, add some cool effects, change the font, the size, all that good stuff. That's all I got for this tutorial. If you guys found any of this helpful, be sure to leave a like and a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to catch all of our future tutorials and a wide range of video gaming content. As well, you can check us out on Facebook Gaming. We stream live every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 8 o'clock Mountain Standard. Until then, I hope to see you guys at the next stream. Salute.